Welcome back to Autopedia, where today we're diving into the 2025 Nissan GT-R, a car that has become synonymous with performance, precision, and aggressive design. This iconic model continues to captivate car enthusiasts worldwide, and in this video, we'll focus solely on the exterior design and features that set the 2025 GT-R apart. First, let's talk about the GT-R's overall aesthetic. The 2025 model maintains its bold, muscular stance that has defined its lineage since the car first debuted in the 1960s. The wide front grille, aggressive hood lines, and sharp, aerodynamic edges are all meticulously crafted to improve airflow and enhance performance. These design elements help reduce drag and maximize stability, ensuring the GT-R stays planted at high speeds. One of the most striking aspects of the 2025 Nissan GT-R is its front fascia. The large, V-motion grille remains a dominant feature, flanked by sleek LED headlights that integrate the car's modern tech with its iconic look. The aggressive lower air intakes, combined with functional cooling vents, not only contribute to the car's athletic appearance but also serve to cool the engine and brakes, maintaining peak performance during high-performance driving. Moving to the side profile, the GT-R's muscular wheel arches continue the car's athletic design language, accentuating its wide stance. The sculpted side skirts help reduce drag while giving the car a more aggressive, purposeful look. The sharp character lines along the side of the car add to its dynamic presence, and the design is complemented by lightweight, forged alloy wheels, which not only look great but also enhance the car's agility and handling. At the rear, the 2025 GT-R showcases its unmistakable quad tailpipes, housed within a diffuser designed to improve rear downforce. The signature round taillights are a nod to the GT-R's legacy, while the rear wing adds a functional touch, boosting aerodynamic stability at high speeds. The rear bumper is redesigned to integrate these elements seamlessly, creating a clean, aggressive finish that reflects the car's performance potential. Finally, let's talk about the materials. The 2025 GT-R uses lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum throughout its exterior to keep weight down and enhance performance. These materials help improve the car's handling and responsiveness, ensuring that it delivers both on the track and the street. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is a masterclass in exterior design, blending heritage with modern performance. It's a car that continues to push boundaries while maintaining its legendary status.